Hello? I pride myself as a professional and I'm sure I would have gotten the work. Okay. No, my work speaks for itself. Yes, that's Mrs. Morris. Okay. I'm sure we can make a good history together. Alright. Can't wait to do business with you. David, well, you're not answering my calls or messages. David, I'm scared. I feel alone. We need to talk. At this point, I just don't know what to do. So please give me a call.
Warm skin, the future looks bright. Smoke in the air.
No, that's cold.
Hello, Audrey.
Tony? Wait, what are you doing here? How did you even get
In, you can say that I'm an expert on getting into close places.
Why didn't you tell me that you were coming here?
Well, that would deprive me of that priceless expression on your face.
What is this visit about?
New orders! What else?
So why you couldn't just call me or send me a text message?
Well, the truth is, I get very cautious about the phone instructions. So I kind of prefer face to face.
Well, Tony, just tell me, what is it that you need me to do? Because I really need my son back.
Calm down, Audrey. You never hear the saying, patience is a virtue.
You think this is a joke? If this is a joke to you, it's not to me. Where is my son?
Safe.
And how do I know this?
See? That's real time. He's playing without a care in the world.
Tony, why are you doing this to me?
Call it payback.
For what?
Where your two man them try to do to me.
Wait. What are you talking about?
I was the rookie on them sleeper team. That's a soul for them two man there. But they never read me.
But you and Martin, you guys were partners. You were friends.
Because that was the only way to stay close to him and make him trust me.